Welcome to GMP Foundations for the Home Artisan and Crafter. I am Michelle Carmichael, an educational specialist for adult professionals in various STEAM fields. I've been an educational leader for over a decade with experience in project-based learning, transformative teaching and learning strategies, and professional development. In this course, you will learn the foundational components of GMP for your home operating platform by showcasing a product to use as a working model to construct your GMP binder. The learning outcomes are concrete in the developmental knowledge of GMP for your home operating platform. You will understand GMP and how to implement it into your home operating platform, and then create a master recipe and inventory supply cost spreadsheet for all of your products. You will learn how to build an SOP and a spec sheet for your products, and then generate a quality control guidelines and your internal audit checklist for your products. This allows you to construct your foundational components of your GMP binder. This will promote your self-regulated learning, your intrinsic motivation, and the immediate need of knowledge of GMP operating from your home kitchen platform. Thank you for your interest in GMP Foundations for the Home Artisan and Crafter. Keep those GMP binders going.